Well, good morning, friends and family. I guess this would be hunt number 4, and it's a solo hunt. Be the first one of the season. Had a great time yesterday with Kyle again. Pretty much just been the two of us because nobody can hunt. And I got one tag left here. Heading to Idaho one more time, I'm hoping. It is Thursday morning. I got enough time to give it a morning and then run to work. So, Northwest Sport Chasers John heading out on a solo hunt. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just driving at the moment. And I'll pick a dot on the woods and see what happens. But I'm so thankful that Washington State opened up. And I got a feeling the opening day is going to be insanity in the woods. The state of Washington declaring war on all turkeys. What I don't understand is why they didn't extend the season. They don't want people bunching up, but they only gave us 3 weeks to hunt our tags that we paid for a specific season. Extended bear, but not turkey. Why? Has no effect biologically speaking on the birds. Just kind of a cheap shot, I think. I don't know. Either way, heading out today, gonna go have some fun. Gonna hit the morning and see what it turns into. So, I'll see you in the woods. More to come.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Yeah. Good job.
They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Check that out.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
High five. Yeah. Gorgeous. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I shot at 2 birds. Well, shot 1 and see.
Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun.
Fingers on the trigger and you got all that going on. Off on that one, bro. There's a smile. The turkey hunter is boom.
We're trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. We're trying to catch me howling at the moon.
Well, getting there. Out the road, down the back. Say I'm probably about 20 minutes behind the time frame I'd rather be, but not too worried about it either. I'm just hoping this spot doesn't have any anyone else parked at it. Definitely a lot of people not doing any work, so I can say that Idahoans have hit the turkeys harder than I've ever seen before. Probably people hunting turkeys that have never even hunted them before. But I can't blame them. We're all losing our minds, stuck in our houses. Made it here. Doesn't appear to be anyone else around, so that's good. I know it's been beat up pretty hard probably in the past, but that's okay. Can't stress out about that. So I'll be mounting the camera on the gun like I've done for so many years by myself. It's 65 degrees out today. This is fantastic. Still going to be rocking the TSS number 9. I'll tell you, it's a great load. You just can't go wrong with it. I know it's expensive, but I've said it to so many people. Look how much we spend on our arrows half the time with archery. It's just not that big a deal to me. I only get to shoot 2 birds a year. Camera mount, I'm going to carry it for most of the time until hopefully at the last second I can pop it on. So I'll see you in the woods. More to come. Still walking. It's a fine looking piece of turkey woods though. Only a couple times in my past. Not every single gobble yet though. But you know, it could be either getting up in the morning, going for a walk in the neighborhood for exercise, or I could be out here looking at elk tracks, walking in the woods, hearing the birds sing. Man, don't get any better. Amen. Okay, if you turkey hunt or not, get up and get out and hear those morning sounds. If you're lucky, you're blessed, get to hear a turkey call too. Searching. We're searching. Alright. Just got the first morning gobble. Sound like a decent bird. Thanks to a crow call. Not mine, but a crow. There's a bird right up there. Somewhere up there on that hilltop. Yep. Let's see what we can do with that. Bird's got a strut zone up and back here. They just don't want to come out of it. So let's roll the dice. See if I can get in there. Get inside their bubble. If I can get in here without getting busted. This is where you want it to be. What a great spot. He's strutting and drumming in right back here behind me. Yeah. Well, he ate the big monster, but I'm not complaining. That was a long hunt. It's probably a very young bird, but I don't care. At this point, I'm happy just to be done with my Idaho tag. Yeah, he's 3/4. Oh, yeah. Well, you heard it all, folks. And there's a guy up on top of the mountain up there making a call. Oh well. The young strutter. I saw his beard. But Washington's about to open. Let's get this off the hoist here. That was fun. What a gaggle on the fly down. You know, I was in here the other day working the same birds, and I was really only after that one big one. And I knew there was a lesser bird in here, right there. He's down on the ground. And the big one walked off. I mean, he went with a hen in the opposite direction of the entire fly down. You can hear him back there. But he's down on private property. It's probably why he's as big as he is. He went out of the same grove of pines right here behind me. This big grove where they all were hanging out. And man, when they all came down right in front of me from working them this morning, I thought I had it. I really did. Let's take a peek. Once again, rocking the Phelps. And I'm not trying to do an advertisement, but you know, you got calls made by a great company, a person running a business right here out of Washington. And I'm just thankful for that. And I'm thankful for Jason cutting me some great calls. And obviously, you saw it work. You know, sweet early morning talk, brought him right down. Man, I thought that big one was going to pitch in with the rest. I was so pumped. Oh well. Here we go. Let's take a peek. Okay. That was a fun morning hunt. I will, I'll show you more from the other day, because I was already in here working these birds, just to get an idea what was in here the other day. And it was mostly just a venture of listening, coming close. Birds are really heavily henned up, but so I got up extra early this morning, got into what I thought was probably a potential fly down. Obviously it was. I didn't know for sure, but I gave it a shot. And it worked out. I'll let you see what I was watching through the branches. There's no way I could move my, it'd been impossible for me to move my gun around with the cam on it and get this strutter that was off to my right the whole time, strutting. I could hear him spitting. And I kept hoping that other one was going to come down. And he did, the other way. Flew down in a whole different zone. And what are you going to do? He took off on private property, and that's probably why he's as big as he is. But this is still a fine bird. I'm not complaining. Beautiful young 3-year-old. 3/4 spurs exactly. I put a little gauge on him. Nothing special. One side's kind of broke off a little bit, and the other one's a little bit better. I don't know if you can see it, but he's typical 3/4. Nice big feet. Pretty bird. Nothing special for a beard. Boy, he's been fighting though. He does have some good wing damage here and there, but he's a fine bird by any chance, by any standards. I'm not going to complain. You know, I got to end my Idaho tag over here. Wish Kyle had come out this morning. He would have had a good time. But let's see if I can get that tail to fan out a little bit. Best I can do right now. Yeah, classic. Good weight, nice bird, no complaints. I wish I could have got the big one in, and I said this is pretty much my morning. Nice mature wings, no complaints there. you know? Not like that stud we put down the other day with Kyle, that nice 1-inch spur bird. This guy's definitely been strutting hard though. He's a fine 3-year-old. I knew there was a 3-year-old in that tree. Yeah, classic, nothing special. 6-inch beard. I don't even have to put a tape on it. That's 6 inches right there. Easy 6. It is opening day fishing season next week too. In Washington. Boy, looks like I got a bloodbath on the way out here because I had to kind of pull over on him quick and he saw me at the last second. And that was it for that. Ah, he rolled through the wet grass. He don't look so pretty now. But hey, a good hunt, a fun morning, no complaints. Once again, old pattern master putting it through the brush right there at about 20 yards. I know that pattern. I've patterned my 20-yard marks all the time. And Apex Ammunition TSS number 9. Boy, cleaned his clock pretty easy. Heading out. Time to go home and get that coffee made. Yeah, baby. What a great day. And if you're carrying Avian X, this is the best way to do it. Hang it off your shotgun barrel, nice and easy. Turkey on the other shoulder. Praise to the man. Oh yeah. A very good day indeed. All right, so I'm walking out. I can't resist. I lit up another gobbler just for fun, so let's pull him in, see what he looks like. He sounds bigger than the one I shot. But I put my decoy out in my tom with his fan. Let's see if he beats the crap out of it. This is a nice bird. This could be interesting. I've had my mouth going so long. I haven't had a chance to give it any air. Look at this bird. The woods are crazy today. I walk out. Nice bird.
Beat the crap out of me. I love it. This one right there. Oh, there's a bit in Nice bird. Big birds turning their tails. Okay, I just want the best. Three quarter spurs, nothing special. That's right, get your butt out of here. Run, turkey, run, run! Okay. That was fun. Oh my gosh. If I could have staked my other one. It's a fun day in the turkey woods, no doubt about that. It is a fun day in the turkey woods.